Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we are going to be giving this backyard some serious TLC, some tender love and care. As you guys can see, the weeds are just taking over the backyard. It is so bad. We live in Southern California, and for some reason this year, we got so much more rain than we typically do. So the weeds, you guys probably don't believe me, but a month ago, I pulled this same set of weeds and it's already back to this condition. I cannot believe it. It's absolutely insane how quickly these weeds just rapidly grow, but we're going to go ahead and dig in and get this backyard ready for summer. I know how much you guys love to see Bubba in our videos, so he is making his special guest appearance, and he actually just turned 4 years old this week. I do need to go ahead and sand down the kids' playhouse as well as the table. I need to stain and seal the table, and then I think my daughter and I are going to do some fun colors on their playhouse for them. As you guys can see, the weed guard is kind of peeking through in some spots. So every year we like to get a couple of bags of these rubber wood chips, which is what's currently in the area, but just to kind of fill in some of those gaps of where that weed guard is peeking through. A little fun fact for you guys, as much as I am a visionary and can totally visualize things inside my house when it comes to decor and decorating, different home projects, when it comes to the outside of my home, you guys, I don't know what it is. I can tell you, oh, I like this, but I have no vision for the outside. We have so many ideas of things we would like to do back here. For example, we want to do like a built-in barbecue area. We also would love to extend the concrete off of our patio area all the way to the fence so that we could do that built-in barbecue area over there with like maybe a larger fire pit. I don't know. So many ideas that we have. It's just bringing them into fruition. So it is now day 2, and I had a couple little helpers this day. We had my niece over for a play date, and so I thought I would tackle the planter area while the kiddos were playing in the backyard. I have to tell you guys the funniest thing. So this is my niece, Miss Skylar Bell, and she is so funny. So as you guys can see in this planter area, this is all weeds. And she came up and was like, TT, I don't have a garden like this at my house. And I was like, girl, consider yourself lucky. I just thought that was the funniest thing. She is such a hoot. So something you guys might not know about me is I have the darkest thumb you guys could ever imagine. I can kill any plant. I've killed cactus. I've killed aloe. I can kill a succulent. Okay. I don't know what it is, but the girls were dying to plant some seeds. And I was like, okay, let's do it. Let's try. And I'm shocked, knock on wood, you guys, the seeds are thriving. They have all sprouted and the girls had such a good time. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but my kids have completely annihilated this backyard. So let's get it all cleaned up. I do still need to mow and edge the lawn, but how funny is this clip of Bubba? We are in the market for some new outdoor furniture because everything you guys see out here, from the chairs to the tables to the fire pit, these are all things that were either handed down to us or that we've had since like we first moved in together. So they have had some serious wear and tear. So we'll definitely be in the market here pretty soon for some new outdoor furniture. I'm not sure where the clip went, but I did go ahead and spray all of these little weed sprouts in between the brick and the sidewalk. I did hit all of those with some weed sprayer, but I don't know where the footage went. I know this video was a little bit out of the norm for me, but I just thought I would go ahead and share this backyard refresh. I really like to watch these videos myself because it gives me like the motivation and inspiration to get up off my booty and just go do it. So if this is also a style video you guys like, give it a thumbs up because it lets me know that you guys want to see more of this in the future. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the Cook's Cottage. We would love to have you guys here for the long haul. I do want to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It means so much to me, and little Miss Paisley has a message she'd like for you all to hear as well.